Hello, give this one a shot. The Westinghouse 14,500 dry fuel. You can use gas, natural gas, and propane. Let's start it right now. Propane mode, battery connect, easy detach connect. Put the power on. That's normal. That blinking. Push it firmly. 2 seconds.